Hi everyone, I just wanted to chat a little bit about our LANPHIER gift cards. Often people call us on the phone and ask or make a statement that I received a gift card but I don't go to spa, I have my stylist, so I'm really not interested coming to your location. And they asking for the refund of the gift cards, which we don't do. But what I wanted to remind you that our gift cards, they are not just for the services. If, let's say, you received a gift card from someone and it says that it's a package or it says that it's for the certain service, was just a thought of the person who gave you the gift. But keep in mind that the gift card is same as a credit card gift. So it's a dollar amount. So whatever amount is on the gift card, you can redeem it for anything that we sell at our LANPHIER location. We do have amazing skincare products. We carry one of the best brands, Dr. Dennis Gross, Caudalie, SkinCeuticals, Color Science. We have amazing hair care products, Kerastase, Living Proof, Wella, Wow, and some others. So keep in mind, everybody uses skincare, everybody uses hair care. So if you are not interested in redeeming your gift card for a service, you can always use this gift card over time. It doesn't have to be spent in one shot. You can use it over time to come and purchase your skincare or hair care products. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and we are always here to help. We look forward to seeing you at LANPHIER.